I'm Callan Hodman. Here's a look at what we're following on this Tuesday. An update on a road closure in downtown Bakersfield this morning. Police now saying that closure was a result of a deadly crash. According to BPD, a woman who has not been identified was walking in the roadway on Truxton Avenue when she was hit by a Hall's Ambulance Facilities maintenance vehicle. Law enforcement say that emergency crews transported her to the hospital where she later died. The driver remained at the crash and cooperated with the investigation. They don't say that drugs, alcohol, or speed were factors. After 10 years, the remains of a woman who went missing in California City have been identified by the coroner's office. Desiree Thompson was reported missing back in January 2012 after a domestic incident involving her estranged husband. That's according to Cal City Police. Her mother said on the night of her disappearance, she had gone to buy cigarettes from the Cactus Mini Mart on 83rd Street, and that was the last place she was seen. On March 25th, investigators returned to Cal City and uncovered remains at a home on 86th Street. That home belonged to Jose Lara, an apparent stranger. Lara was arrested in March and pleaded not guilty to first-degree murder in April. He's due back in court in August. Rising temperatures are a health concern here in Kern County, and today there will be several cooling centers open to help people stay safe. They'll be in Bakersfield, Arvin, Shafter, and Taft. Face masks and social distancing are required. Visitors who have a fever or any other COVID symptoms will not be allowed. The centers will open today from 1 to 8 p.m. We know those centers are really needed today. Let's bring in 23 ABC's Veronica Morley with our forecast.
Hey, good morning. So we do have an excessive heat warning still in effect for today, meaning in areas of our valley communities and our mountains up in Lake Isabella and Kernville. We're reminding residents that we are going to see some very hot temperatures. So try to stay hydrated and stay cool today. We are going to see 106 and 105 today and tomorrow, but we do start to trend downward as we get closer to our weekend temperatures. Our mountain communities, Lake Isabella, seeing 100 today, and then those upper 90s heading into this weekend. Tehachapi and Fraser Park a little bit cooler, but still pretty warm. So they are seeing those upper 80s and those lower 90s for Tehachapi. Fraser Park, fortunately, not breaking into the 90s anytime soon. They are still seeing a range of about 86 to 88 this week. So a little cooler if you want to head out there, just trying to escape some of this heat.
Those are some of the stories we're following this morning. We'll bring you another update later today.